Here's how you can create a collage or multiple photo layout in Instagram stories using the built-in feature. This is how you can do it, and it is easier than you think. First of all, go onto your Instagram app and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Just go on to the stories option or just swipe left on the home screen and you'll be able to go to the stories option. Here you'll need to select the camera option. Once you select the camera option, you'll see some options on the left side. Click on the down button and you'll see all of the options. Here you'll need to select the layout option. Now once you're on the layout option, all you need to do is click on the bottom left corner and select the photos that you want to add on your collage. Once you select all the photos, just click on the tick option and you'll be able to add it onto your story. You can add any text that you want or any doodle that you want to use on your story, just like a normal story. Once you're done doing everything, just click on your story and it will be posted onto your story. On the main option, you can also click on change grid in order to change the grid of the layout. For example, if you want 2 photos, 3 photos, or any grid that you want. And by doing that, you'd be easily able to create collages on your Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.